Hi.
Hey, Lexi.
How are you guys?
Good.
Good. How are you?
Good. Okay. You guys have it pulled up?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Have you already done it, Lexi?
Yes.
How'd it go?
It went fine. When I submitted it, I got like an 84, so I missed a few. But then I just went back and like tried to correct them, so I'll see what you guys get for the ones that I missed.
Yeah, I missed two as well, and one of them I'm pretty sure I know what I did wrong, but the other one, I don't know how I did it wrong because I got the other questions right. Like,
Oh, yeah.
we'll
Yeah.
see.
I don't know. But I know I got number 3 wrong, and I think that was supposed to be an easy one.
Yeah, it's B.
Well, that's
B.
what I put.
Wait, no, it's C.
I
Number
put
3.
B and it was right.
Really?
What? Are you sure?
I took it earlier too, and I got 3 right, and I put C.
I think
What is your C on 3?
It's just P.
it's just
What?
It's P. It's P by itself.
Oh, wait. I did get that one.
yeah, I did the same thing, Jenna. I think it is P.
Yeah. That's what
Okay.
when you look at your quizzes that you've already done, it lets you change the answer.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's weird. Okay, so it is C.
Okay, so 4 true, 5 true. All right, 6.
I got 0.75.
Yeah.
That's what I got.
Me too. Then
I should have missed last time, but I missed it because I put in the answer for number 8 for number 7.
oh.
I had a double answer. It was weird.
So did you get 0.11
Yes.
Yeah.
or 7?
Yes.
Okay. And then 8.64.
Yes. Now, when you guys did these ones, did you just put it into the Excel spreadsheet?
I did.
Because I can't
Oh,
get
I
a
did.
calculator. I can't.
I did it by hand.
You did it by hand, and did you get it?
I think I did it both ways.
I'm
So
like,
like the first time I did it, I did it. So I'm trying to think though.
So yeah, I did the 1.96 times the square root of P parenthesis 1 minus P parenthesis divided by N.
so isn't there supposed to be a 0.75 minus 1.96?
Yeah, that's the P. So you do 1 minus 0.75 times 0.75 divided by 60 and then square root all of that.
Like, I did that much, but I saw, I don't know.
Did you times it by 1.96?
I did. I multiplied it by 0.75 minus 1.96 because I thought it was P hat minus 1.96 multiplied by the square root of all that junk. Is that
No,
right?
this equation is just the Z times the square root of P 1 minus p over n. That's all it is.
That's all it is.
Yeah.
Oh,
I think where I'm trying to find on mine where I did it. But I want to say that I did I must have, because that's what I got for the answer. So I must have done it.
well, why in the homework, like in the lesson material, I even went back and looked. Let me check again, but it shows the formula. Where is it?
So yeah, so you'd go 0.75 minus 1.96 times, and then all that.
Yeah, the equation you're doing, I think, is to find z, isn't it? To find the test statistic instead of doing the margin of error.
I thought this was for the confidence interval.
Yeah. This is for the confidence. So
Yeah. Yes.
So are you putting in the 0.75 minus 1.96 times the square root of 0.75 times 1 minus 0.75?
Yeah, that's what I did, but I got the answer wrong, and Jenna got it right by leaving off the first p hat. So leaving off point.
I looked up, I just searched margin of error in the lesson 17 reading, and I did the add equation. And it gave me just the equation I told you.
So we're talking for number 8, right?
I'm talking about number 7, well, and 8, I guess.
Oh,
I'm good with 7, but it's number 8 that.
Oh, so that one, yeah, you do 0.75 plus the answer that you got for 7.
no.
Or minus, I mean.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, lower.
Oh, you're saying you do 0.75 minus that. I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Instead of doing the whole entire equation, you just subtracted the margin of error. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Did the whole thing.
Yeah, and then I just check it. I always do that, and then I just check it by doing upper bound minus lower bound divided by 2 to see if that gives me the margin of error that I got.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, everyone, that other equation's too long.
Yeah, and I can't get the answer right by doing it that way, but if I plug it in just to the Excel sheet that they gave us, then I get it right. So I guess your way and the Excel way is the way I'm going to do it from now on, because these equations are intense.
Yeah, they are. There's a lot going on with those. So then for 9, did you guys get 0.86?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry for holding us up. I just so freaked out by this
You're fine.
questions. Okay, so 10 I got decrease.
Yes. 11 is 20. 12 is 100. 13, true. 14, did you get 0.475?
Yeah. So I got 15 and 16 wrong, but I just redid them. So did any of you get them right?
I got 15 right and 16 wrong, which I don't know how I got all of them right except 16 if I had the wrong numbers.
So
Like right now.
what did you get for 15?
Negative 2.282.
I think it's negative 2.283. Because I did negative 2.272 also. But then I redid it and I got a decimal difference.
Maybe it's counting that question right because it's so close to right, but then that was messing up my p-value because I don't know how I got 15 right and 16 wrong.
So how did you guys do that? Because for the first time I got like -4 point something. And then
For the statistic?
yeah, is it just Z?
So yeah, you do z, which is p hat minus p. So it'd be 0.475 minus 0.6, and then divide that by the square root of 0.6 parentheses 1 minus 0.6 over n, which is 80.
Oh, okay. Hold on. I might need you to say that again. So you go
Okay.
0.475
Minus 0.6,
minus 0.6.
and that's the top part of the equation. So then divide that by the square root of p, and then parentheses 1 minus p
Is
over n.
P 0.6 or 0.6?
0.6.
0.6
P hat is 0.47.
times 1 minus 0.6 all over
N.
80?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that what you did, Rachel?
Yes.
And you got
Okay,
negative
so-
2.283, is what you said?
Negative 2.273.
Oh. And you got it
do it
right?
out really.
No, the first time I put in the wrong answer. I put in negative 2.272, but I didn't round correctly. I'm going to put it in my calculator one more time to make sure.
Yeah, I'm going to do it again too because it says I got it right, but
It says you got it right and you put in 8.2.
yeah.
Okay, let me try
But
it.
then I got the p-value wrong, so I don't know.
You got the p-value right. What did you put for the p-value?
I put 0.023.
It's only, I think it's just 3 decimals. It's 0.012.
So I got negative 2.282.
Yeah, that's what I got, and it was right.
Okay, I must have.
I'm glad you got the right for 60, though. At least someone else had to do it.
So then you put it in, let me see. So you put it in.
So then you open up the applet and highlight both sides and put in the negative 2.282 for z.
You do both sides?
That's what the reading said.
Okay, so then you get 0.026.
I got 0.012.
Yeah, I got 0.023, but it was wrong.
0.012 is the right answer.
So what do you highlight?
You highlight the right side, right?
Just the right side?
Yes. No, sorry, the left side.
The whole left side.
Just a little smidge on the end of the left
Oh,
side.
this isn't a two-tailed test. That's what I did wrong. Gotcha.
Hold on.
Glad we got that figured out.
2.8. And then you just do the far left. The far right.
The far left.
Okay, we got them all right.
Okay. 0, 1, 1. Okay. Okay. Oh. That was crazy that we all missed different ones.
Yeah.
That really worked. Good, didn't it?
Yeah, actually it did.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny. Okay,
And
so
go ahead.
well, I was just gonna see what you were thinking for the design study thing. Do we want to work on that at all tonight?
Yeah.
You're leaving town, right? So my husband's actually leaving here in 15 minutes. So let's just get done what we can right now. And then I think
Okay.
just one of us fills out the form, correct?
Yeah, because this is the design the study part, and so I gathered that whoever we put for the design the study person is the one who does it. So if you guys want me to be that person, since you're both busy, then I can do it.
Sure, Jenna, why don't you take this time, and then I can do the next one.
Okay, so then I'll do step 4 then.
Okay.
Make inference. And then should we just all do 5?
Well, there's 5. Oh, just 5.
I think
We
one
don't
of
have
us
Jake
will
anymore.
just have to do 2. Which is fine. I can do 2 of them. I'm fine with that.
Yeah, for the PowerPoint. Well, for number 6, I feel like we should
Do it together.
kind of all do the PowerPoint.
Okay.
I'll make it. Well, Jenna, do you want me to? Well, I guess we have a little time. So let's maybe just decide what we're going to do for the study before you have to go, Rachel.
Okay.
Is that right? Are we supposed to like decide on a study?
Yeah.
Is that right?
So I like thought my ideas were original, and then I read her examples, and I was like, oh, never mind. Because the ones that I thought of were like comparing like a store brand versus like a name brand of something,
Oh, that's good.
or what was the other one? Or doing like the GPA of married people versus single people at BYU Idaho, and seeing if your relationship status affects your GPA. That's all I got.
Did you think of any, Lexi?
My thing was kind of like the like more of like the store stuff. So like if like a cheap something versus I just liked the paper towel one because I thought, oh, that's kind of easy.
Yeah, I thought of like
But
comparing Lucky Charms, so like marshmallow ladies, and comparing like the number of marshmallows.
oh, that's a good one.
Yeah. Or what if we did something like a generic brand of something and then a real brand and like offered them to kids and see which one kids would pick? Like the generic brand, or if the name brand is really better tasting than the other kids. That's an idea.
Yeah.
I think we should do something without a survey.
Yeah.
No, I don't want to do a survey.
Yes. I watched this video today on YouTube of people doing name brand versus generic, and they don't tell them which one is which. They just give them bulbs, and they have to tell them which one they think is better, and then they tell them which one is the name brand. It was hilarious.
So okay, so if we did something like that, would there be like a categorical data then, not a number?
Yeah.
Yes.
Can't be.
Even off of taste, yes.
So would we get like more than 2 brands? Like would we get a few different ones? I would have them try them. But or you
Let's see. I think we would each have to do at least 10, right, to make a large sample.
But that would work. We could each do 10. I would. Jenna, do you think you could find 10?
10 kids?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I knew you were like
Babysit them every day.
Do you babysit like different kids?
Yeah. I just, like, from my birth, I swear I was like destined to be a babysitter.
Well, I live 25 minutes from Rexburg. You want to come watch my kids?
Yeah, where do you live? Do you live north or south of Rexburg?
I think I live west. Like Like I live in like a small, like it's like 25 minutes. Like you get on Main Street and you go
Uh-huh.
like past Beaver Dick, you know,
Yeah.
and you just keep
Yeah. Well, if you need a babysitter, you and everyone else can call me.
No. That's funny. Okay. Well,
So we can like, does this brand taste better than this brand, and survey 10 kids.
I like that.
Okay.
That seems okay. So what are we gonna do? Which one? Let's like pick a thing. Do you want to do like? There's like mac and cheese.
Yeah, I was thinking of
Like-
like mac and cheese, fruit snacks,
Fruit
and
snack, good one.
cereal. That's basically what he lives off of.
A cereal one's easy. Yeah, well, you could do like Fruit Loops or the Tutti Fruities or whatever. What else is there? The Lucky Charms, the Marshmallow Maties.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? What do your kids like? My kids don't eat cereal. I mean, I don't like it.
Like Fruit Loops.
Your kids
Like-
don't eat cereal, Rachel?
Like, what was that?
You said your kids don't eat cereal.
Yeah.
What about like we could do
You know,
it?
we can do cereal. I will let them eat cereal for this. They would,
What if we did like a cookie, like a something that we could just give them? Do you know what I mean? Like, do you like this cookie better or this cookie? You know, like a
Okay,
graham cracker.
cereal.
okay.
What?
What about a graham cracker? Like a
Because they've got like the Walmart graham crackers and then what is that
Yeah.
brand?
That's a good one.
Let's do graham crackers because I can picture them sitting right by you.
okay.
Let me go look at the name. I have it in my fridge. Yeah.
Is it Nabisco? Maybe not.
Yeah, I think it is.
Okay. Honey Maid.
Anyway,
Yeah.
you made Nabisco. Okay.
I don't typically get the name brand. I must have been feeling especially. Okay, so Honey Maid versus the off brand.
Okay.
That's gonna be perfect.
Are we doing any off-brand? Because like Walmart's off-brand might be different than like Albertsons or Brahms or Kroger, whatever.
Yeah, we could do. I don't care. I could go to whichever one and get the off brand.
What do you have near you, Rachel?
I could go to, let's see. My stores are a lot different than yours, I think. You guys don't have Safeway, right?
Mm-mm.
Okay. I have Walmart. I have Walmart and
You want to just do Walmart then?
or Kroger. I could do Kroger also. Walmart or Kroger.
We don't technically have a Kroger. There's a Smith's and I don't Falls, but let's just do Walmart.
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 So like Great Value and Honey Maid.
Okay.
Great value. Okay.
So we are gonna do 10 kids each. Give them both crackers and ask them which one they like more. That's how we collect the data, which is not this week, right? That's next week. Okay.
So what's our Nolan alternative hypothesis going to be?
So the null hypothesis could be that they will like the name brand, or would it be that they would like them equally, and then our alternative hypothesis is that they would like them the same. I mean,
Yeah, I don't remember how to write it for not
for the
quantitative data. Is it just 0 or do you write it in a sentence? I guess I
Actually,
didn't-
did we get to this yet? Because we just started doing categorical stuff. I don't think we've even moved this part yet.
I can just ask her and tell her what we're doing and ask her what to do.
I'm trying to think if there was a way to get like a number in there, how we could do the study to. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe she would have an idea for us on.
Yeah, I'll email her and I'll work on it and I can just text you guys. I know you guys have to go, but I'll work on it.
Okay, let us
Okay.
need any help. There's a lot to answer here, so I can
I know, that's why I'm kind of feeling like, like, Rachel, if you have to go, Jenna, I could help you or something.
Well, let's see, because for number 6, categorical test of one proportion, is that what we're doing right now? That's what we just learned.
Categorical test of one proportion. I think so. So what were their hypotheses on that one? Let's. Yeah, that's right, because we'll be doing like however many kids out of the kids that we surveyed is our X and our N. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So that will work.
Oh, yeah, couldn't we do, like, the null hypothesis would be that, I think,
Like what we do, like what percentage we think, like that we think 75% will like the name brand better? Like, is that how we need to set it up?
I'm gonna look on here and see what their tests are. So let's see. So the null hypothesis.
hey guys, I've got to run. If I stop this,
Oh, I think it's okay if you just like take it off